This is Star Wars auditions.
Yes, it is. You must be Jake Breslauer.
Breslauer.
Breslauer. Yes. Here's that for you. Yeah, and we're running a little bit ahead of schedule, so you're on in 5.
5 minutes.
5. You need a script?
Yeah,
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'll pass. It's good. Yeah.
Do you need some water?
No, I'm good. I'm great. Thank you. Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah. I'll be fine. I'll pass.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right, man. Have a seat.
Perfect. Excuse me. I don't mean to bother you, but this is kind of a big audition for me. Do you mind scaring me? Help me get rid of my hiccups?
Scaring you?
Yeah, I heard if you scare someone, it gets rid of their hiccups.
Oh, right. I don't know what to say, man. I'm not a very scary person.
Do you mind just giving it a shot?
Okay, Boom! Okay, I got something for this. Time is so slow that you cannot see yourself fading, but so fast that you cannot stop it until it's too late. Your parents gave you a dog to teach you about death by proxy, instead of doing it themselves. You killed almost 3 trillion other souls in order to be born. What if your friends only gave you comfort food to sabotage your good looks? Every corpse on Mount Everest was once an extremely motivated person. You would actually kill to keep your darkest secret, and you might have to. Nothing you do in this life will prevent the death of anyone else on this planet. Mr. Wrobel? Oh, hey, that's me, man. Hey, I hope that helps. Break a leg in there.